Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add another layer in photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your photopea software. Now we can see here already added an image. Now we want to add a new layer. Go to the window menu and enable the layer option. Now we can see here already enable this. Now I am go to the layer option and select this new layer option. We can see we add a new layer easily. You can add a text, color, etc. Now I am select this color option and choose a color. Then press Alt backspace to edit the color. You can add another layer. Click this new layer option. Now we can see we add new layer or layer very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.